Christmas memory. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of.
So, nag-drive-thru lang kami kasi gutom na kami. Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast, lunch, dinner. And it's already 6. Magdi-date kami pero mamaya pa atang mga 8 na. Nag-drive-thru muna kami ng fries and then ice cream and float and burger sa kanya. Anong gupit mo? Hi everyone! So it's currently 6:59 and andito kami sa Alpha Barber. So magpapagupit muna siya before our date. So here's our fit. Everyone, so done na si Andre magpagupit. Here siya nagpagupit sa Alpha Barber. Love, show your gupit. Oh, parang si Josh Mohiga.
Yan.
And now we're on our way to our date. We're on our way to our date. Pogi ah. Yan o. Sheesh!
Sabi ko sa burst feed at ang pagpapagupit ko mid feed.
We're on our way na to Layton Hotel. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Our Christmas dinner. And look what Andre got me. He got me flowers. So cute. It's pink. Pink and white. Here. Love it. Love it. Thanks, Ben. We're here now. We're here now. There. We're gonna go there. We're just gonna park. We're gonna eat our dinner now. Here's my bouquet. Hey everyone, so nag-change location kami. Dito kami sa Uma. Cause walang parking sa Liton. We're here. Uma na kami magdi-dinner. Cause walang parking doon. Dito na Hilton kasi sobrang daming tao. So, mag-order lang muna kami before anything else.
Kinalas cravings.
Tinuguan.
Kinalas cravings.
Ayaw. Wala ba yung chicken lang ba?
Wow niyo. Nagabes. Kinunot. Ano?
Yung sinuto ni Joshua Garcia, pinunod. Yan na. Ilang servings po yung ano? Okay, isang order ng open face chicken cordon bleu. Tapos isang order din ng chicken tenders. Tapos yung fruit shakes, ano yung flavor? What flavor? Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Isang mango, tapos isang watermelon. Tapos, yung rice niya, meron third up. Okay, yung dalawa.
Dalawa talaga. Tatlo mo na.
Ay, tatlo na. Nakuha ko na yung pang-80 story ko. Mali-mali. Hi now. Say hi. So here's our food na.
Wait, nagpapicture.
Oh my gosh, oo nga pala. Wait, matandaan man yan. We have here, what's this lang?
Ano? Chicken,
Chicken cordon bleu. Chicken cordon bleu and chicken tenders. And Andre got his watermelon and I got my mango shake. Pwede ko lang ito take ng picture.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird. Here to stay is a new bird. To sing a love song while we stroll along. Walking in a winter wonderland.
I'm gonna try this chicken tenders. I'm gonna try this. Masarap. Taste. Hi everyone. So, we're done eating. Hindi namin naubos yung food. Look. Here. And here. Binigay ko kay Andre yung food ko kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya. Yan. Sa kanya, naubos niya. So, waiting for Andre. And we're gonna do a TikTok. Hi everyone. So, the bill is here. So, guess the bill.
1.5.
1.5? Nasa asa? 1.7. Pareho tayo. 1.6 siya. 1.676.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird. Here to stay is a new bird.
Baby, hintay mo ako. So, we're done na mag-TikTok and take a picture. And then, we're gonna go where? Uwi na tayo? Babi?
Coffee and Coke.
Ha? Bago yan ah. We're here at Magsaysay Town Center at Uma. Hi everyone. So, it's already 10:50 in the evening. Nag-stop by muna kami dito sa Pat First Coffee.
In the ground, keeping people pleased. That this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.